Let's look at this example. We have a bag. Let's draw the bag. We have a bag that contains 4 red balls. So let's put them in red. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 2 green balls. Put them in green. 2 green balls. Okay. So a ball is taken out at random and then put back. A second ball is then taken from the bag. What is the probability that A, B, or C? So we can calculate the probabilities using the tree here. So first thing to do, how many balls are in the bag? There are 6. Okay. So this is going to be the first ball. We write above here, and the second ball is here. So when you take your first ball out, what could you get? It's either going to be red or green, right? So we'll put red first, doesn't matter which one. The red ball here, or it could be a green ball. So we write it there. And then we put the ball back. And then we take out another ball. What could it be? Again, it could be either red, or it could be green, or it could be red, or it could be green. Okay, so let's rub that bag out. So how about our outcomes here? So you could get a red and a red, so 2 red balls. We could get a red or a green. We could get a green then a red, or we could get a green then another green, and we'll get probabilities in a minute. So come back to the balls. So what is your chance of getting a red ball from the bag? There are 4 red balls. There are 4 red balls, but there are 6 balls in total. Okay, so 4 out of 6. There are 2 green balls, and there are 6 balls in total in the bag. So that's 2 out of 6. I won't simplify them yet. You'll see why in the next section when we do the next part. Okay, so again, you put the ball back. So for the second ball, there are still 6 balls in the bag. So the red again is 4 out of 6. Now the chance of a green is 2 out of 6. The chance of a red is 4 out of 6. The chance of a green again is 2 out of 6. Notice in this kinds of questions, these don't change. Okay, so the chance of a green is 2 out of 6. On the second ball, it's still 2 out of 6 for this section of work. The next section, these numbers will change, and you'll see why later. Okay, so what's your chance of getting 2 reds? So as we said on the last video, it's 4 on 6 times 4 on 6, which will be 16 on 36. Okay, so if you simplify that, you'll get 4 out of 9. So the chance of getting 2 red balls is 4/9. How about a red and a green? This is going to be 4 times 2, which will be 8 out of 36. So what's that going to be? 2 out of 9. So your chance of getting a red and a green is 2 out of 9. The chance of getting a green and red is 2 on 6 times 4 on 6, which is be 8 on 36 again, which is 2 on 9 again. That makes sense because red, green and green, red will give the same outcome, the same probability. So 2 greens will be 2 on 6 times 2 on 6, which is 4 on 36, which is 1 on 9. Okay, now if you want to check if you've done this correctly, you add up these 4 fractions. 4 on 9 plus 2 on 9 plus 2 on 9 plus 1 on 9. Now if you add these 4 fractions, you should get 1. Let's check. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 out of 9, which is 1. So this has been done correctly. Okay, so that's one good way for checking that you've done the work correctly, that these 4 fractions should equal 1 every time. Okay, if we look at the questions then, what about question A? Both balls are the same colour. If you look in your picture, which ones are the same colour? That means red, red, or green, green. So red, red, green, green, and then we must add. So red, red is 4, 9, plus green, green, which is 1 on 9, which is 5 on 9. So the chance that the balls are the same colour is either red, red or green, green, and that probability is 5 on 9. Okay, at least one of the balls is green. So how many of them have green in them? This one, this one, this one. At least one green means minimum one green. So 2 greens is no problem. You can have two greens. So if you add those fractions, 2 on 9 plus 2 on 9 plus 1 on 9, you'll get 5 on 9. So let's write them down. So 2 on 9 plus 2 on 9 plus 1 on 9 is 5 on 9. Okay, so at least one ball is green. The last question, the balls are different colour. So different colour means either this one or this one. So red, green plus green, red. So we could write that down. Red, green plus green, red. So red, green, 2 on 9 plus green, red, 2 on 9, and you'll get 4 on 9. So that's the chance that they are a different colour. Okay, I'll give some more examples soon.